How to fix microphone not working on Snapchat. Hello and welcome back to Official Help Desk. Today in this video, I'm going to show you some ways that can help you fix your microphone not working problem. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. First and foremost, you have to make sure that you are using the latest version of Snapchat. Head over to your Play Store and search for Snapchat. If you see update sign here, tap on update. Open up your settings app. Here, scroll below to apps. Then search for Snapchat. Under here, tap on permissions and make sure that you have allowed permissions for microphone. If not, tap on microphone and tap on allow only while using the app. Once done, go back and tap on to storage. Here, tap on clear cache on your bottom right. Once done, this shall fix your problem. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.